What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Top 5 Trade, where we break down tech that actually earns your cash. No fluff, no fanboy hype, just real talk about what makes gear great. And today we're talking about a mouse that's become the secret weapon of esports pros and competitive gamers around the world. Say hello to the Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2. This isn't just another wireless mouse. This is an ultralight, zero latency, pixel-perfect beast built for one thing: winning. Whether you're climbing the ranked ladder, training for your next LAN, or just want your shots to hit every time, you're going to want to hear about this. Remember, the product featured in this video will be linked in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out. And hey, if you've ever lost a clutch round because your mouse glitched, lagged, or just didn't keep up, go ahead and smash that like button, because this right here, it's the upgrade you've been waiting for. Alright, let's kick it off with what makes this mouse stand out before you even touch it. The weight. The Logitech G Pro X Superlight 2 clocks in at just 60 grams. Yeah, 60. That's featherlight territory, folks. No holes, no gimmicks, just pure engineering. It's built for flicks, tracking, and micro adjustments, all while feeling like it's floating across your mouse pad. You know those fast-paced games where split-second movement decides everything? This mouse was made for those moments. And because it's so light, you're not wasting energy. You're just reacting faster, aiming sharper, and moving smoother. And let's be real, whether you're a Valorant main, dropping into Apex, or going full tryhard in Fortnite, a lighter mouse means quicker flicks and less fatigue. Your wrist will thank you during those 8-hour gaming sessions. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood, because this thing is not just a pretty shell. The Superlight 2 is rocking Logitech's Hero 2 sensor, capable of a ridiculous 44,000 DPI. Yes, 44,000. Even if you don't crank your DPI that high, it means you're getting pinpoint accuracy, no matter your sensitivity. Combine that with a mind-blowing 8,000 hertz polling rate. That's 8,000 reports per second. And you're looking at an almost telepathic connection between your hand and your screen. Translation? It tracks everything you do with surgical precision and zero lag. Every swipe, every flick, every tap. It's all instant. Whether you're locking heads with a sniper rifle or spray controlling with a submachine gun, this mouse keeps up with you like a sixth sense. Now, let's get into the design, because Logitech nailed the details here. It's got that smooth, minimal look, clean lines, matte finish, and a classic symmetrical shape that works for palm, claw, and fingertip grip style. Lefties, sorry. This one's made for right-handed gamers. But for everyone else, it's ridiculously comfortable. No RGB, no distractions, just pure performance. That's the aesthetic. It's a mouse that says, I didn't come to flex, I came to frag. And even though it's ultralight, it still feels durable. No creaks, no cheap plastic vibes, just solid tournament-grade construction. Oh, and let's not forget the buttons. You've got 5 programmable buttons that are crisp, tactile, and responsive. Exactly what you want in a high-stakes match. Map your abilities, macros, grenades, whatever gives you the edge. And with Logitech's G-Hub software, customization is endless. Speaking of responsiveness, the new Lightforce hybrid switches combine optical and mechanical tech. That means you get the speed and durability of optical clicks with the satisfying feel of mechanical. Fast, accurate, and built to last through millions of clicks. Now let's talk wireless, because this ain't your average Bluetooth lag fest. This bad boy connects via Lightspeed wire, which is Logitech's ultra-low latency, tournament-grade tech. It's faster than wired for most people. Serious. You won't feel a delay, even in the most intense firefights. And battery life? Oh yeah, it's got stamina. You're getting up to 95 hours of battery life on a single charge. That's more than a week of heavy gaming. And with USB-C fast charging, you're never down for long. Plug in for a few minutes and you're back in the fight. Plus, it's lightweight and portable. Perfect if you're hopping between home setups, LAN parties, or just tossing it into your backpack with your laptop. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's talk performance surfaces. This mouse glides on PTFE feet that are buttery smooth, low resistance, high speed. Whether you're using a cloth pad or hard surface, it just floats. You barely need to apply pressure. It's pure finesse. And if you're the type who demands consistency every time you move your mouse, this gives you that pro-grade feel every time. No drag, no jitter, just speed and control. Now let's hit the recap, because there's a lot to love here. 60 grams, ultra lightweight build. No holes, no compromise. 44,000 DPI Hero, 2 sensor, insane precision, 8,000 Hz polling rate, lightning fast response, 5 programmable buttons with Lightforce hybrid switch, Lightspeed wireless, pro level, lag-free gaming, 95 hours battery life, plus USB-C fast charging PTFE feet for ultra smooth glide clean. Minimalist design made for right-handed gamers. Fully customizable with Logitech G-Hub software. This isn't just a mouse, it's a competitive advantage. If you're a serious gamer, or even an aspiring one, and you're still using a generic or heavy mouse, you are literally holding yourself back. If you've been waiting to take your aim, your movement, and your game to the next level, this is the mouse to do it. If this helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment with your favorite feature, and don't forget to subscribe for more no-nonsense, high-performance tech breakdown. Until next time, aim true, stay sharp. Peace out.